Starting right now, smoke on, Bill Stein.
Engine on the front.
This man has got serious flying experience. Over 5,000 hours of aerobatic and formation flight. Maybe Chuck Dramamine could take some lessons from him. Look at how he takes that thing up. Uses a combination of stick, rudder, and engine rotation. Beautiful, isn't it, Roseanne?
Absolutely beautiful. Now, what is it that causes the color change?
It is a special paint scheme that Bill has on his plane. If you watch it right now, you'll see it change color as he pulls up and as the light angle changes on the airplane.
That was expensive.
Bill's been performing at air shows since 1995 all across the United States. He's entertained millions of fans. He has a passion for precision flying. It's evident his dad is playing air show routine, as you see. He don't do this just by going out and flying air shows. You train every day, and that's what Bill does, so his skills stay razor sharp. He maintains the all-out energy and excitement he puts into his air show sequence as he comes across show center once again. Now, I'll tell you what, you don't get to fly that close to the ground either unless you've got a lot of air shows and a lot of experience, and you have been checked out by an aerobatic competency evaluator from ICAS in coordination with the FAA. Look at that flat spin coming down. Bill is in fact an instructor. He mentors new air show pilots. He coaches Stars of Tomorrow team. He carries a commercial pilot certificate, multi-engine, single-engine instrument ratings. You'll love this one. He has flown with the Aaron Pizza Company.
Well, that's all of a sudden I was going to say, oh, pizza, yum.
Yes, indeed. And he flies one of your favorite airplanes, the Boeing Stearman.
It is, yes. That is one of my favorites, and yes, he does.